Let's go to Saraswati Boyala now. Saraswati ji, you are the CEO of Dancing Atoms. Tell us a little about Dancing Atoms. How would you explain what your organization does in layman terms? And also, you are the creative director of the animation and filmmaking competition. What's been the journey so far and what can we expect now?
So, namaste everyone. This has been a super exciting journey. I've worked on some of the top Hollywood projects like Life of Pi, Golden Compass, and The Chronicles of Narnia. And one of my childhood dreams has always been, how do we tell stories that are Indian for the global world? And that's been the journey for me as the CEO and the director of Dancing Atoms. And I've been pitching my projects in all the top festivals around the world. And I kind of work between Los Angeles and live in Mumbai. So the best of the best worlds I've had. And the journey of the Dancing Atoms is really, we have a lot of great IP that we want to bring to the world as an IP creator. But at the same time, I also believe in giving back to the community. So when we spoke to the ministry about 3 years ago, and this whole idea was coming together on how to build a beautiful competition/skill development program. And that's when last year, when they invited me and said, why don't you come on board and give us a proposal because you are the industry. So I said, yes, of course. And so that's how the animation filmmakers competition kind of began. We have 4 verticals. We have animation, VFX, virtual production, and AR, VR. And purely from a storytelling point of view, we had over 1,900 submissions, 42 finalists out of 1,900. So they're all here from all around the world. I'm sitting at the Creative Sphere. So we're just waiting. The Prime Minister is going to be walking this space. So the animation filmmakers competition, we really have curated the top 42 projects. And we're really looking at distributors and OTT platforms to come on board that are attending waves here. So it's like you're under one roof, the entire world is here. So it's super energetic, and all my team members and the participants, the finalists are super excited, and they can't wait for this to take place. So I cannot speak anything else but positive stuff for the Prime Minister's vision of bringing all of us together. So they're musicians, they're artists, they're filmmakers, they're young talent, they're older talent. There's in fact a lady who's about 80 and she's doing a beautiful book on Hanuman Chalisa.
Wow.
So it's excellent, like the creativity is unlimited. The age is not a barrier anymore. And that was a very important thing for us when we started the animation filmmakers competition, that we did not want to put any barriers on anybody. We just said, come, bring your stories and we will help you. So we helped them for the last 9 months to develop their stories, to write their pitches, to prepare for their pitches, to get them to meet all the industry top level people in the next 4 days. That's our goal, is to get these 42 projects off the ground, to get financing, to get grants, to get all the state governments that are also here to kind of tag in and say, yes, we are in it. We are not putting animation in a corner. We're not putting VFX in a corner. We want you to be in the center stage. And that's basically the goal of the animation filmmakers competition.
Great, Saraswati, and we look forward to learning more about your experience.